view the image. Okay, so you can use imshow. Imshow is the function wherein the image which we have read, it is converted into its original size of 256 rows and 256 number of columns, and will be just shown in the form of a figure window. Okay, so imshow of is it. I'm just running. I'm just executing the code by shortcut F5. Okay, F5 will give you. This is the code. I've got some other code. Okay, listen here. So I've got here x1 imread of rise.png. I've got another file cameraman.tif. Okay, let's use two figure windows just to show those two files. Okay, so what happens? One second. I got some error in the MATLAB. Let me close this and come on. One second. Okay, so these are the images which is read and it is shown here. Okay, so I've pressed it twice, so that way the four times the figure window has come. Okay, so this is the image rise.png. Okay, and if I'm executing it once again, you will get those two images. Okay, so this is figure 2 wherein I've got cameraman.tif image, and this is figure 1 where I've got x1 image which is going to be rise.png. Okay, so this is a very simple bit of lines wherein I'm able to take up two images and just read it. Okay, so this is how the image is going to be read. If you go to the workspace, you could observe here that we clear all those things. So I've got two images here. Okay, and by default, unlike the variables how it is going to be declared with some data types in your high level languages, we don't have to define the variables with any data type. It is by default assigned with the data type unsigned integer 8-bit. Okay, so this is what is indicated here, unsigned 8-bit integer type. Okay, so whereas 40 indicates the minimum pixel value which is available here for the image x1, and 204 will be the maximum value of the pixels which is available here. Okay, so if it's going to be in this form. Okay, if you just expand it, you will get all the values being shown. Okay, so let's not try with all those things and waste time. Now this is how the image is going to be read and shown.